Phrasal verbs are commonly used in everyday conversation. Using phrasal verbs correctly will help you sound natural. They are essential in English fluency and it also improves your vocabulary. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn English with Harsha. This lesson is all about phrasal verbs. So try to make use of these 10 common phrasal verbs to sound more attractive and expressive. So before we hop into this lesson, I want you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications. Let's get started. Alright, our first phrasal verb is freak out. When someone freaks out, they get very angry, upset or scared. It can also be used when you are surprised. For example, I completely freaked out when I heard Shah Rukh Khan is coming to our city. Or I hate cockroaches and every time I see one, I freak out. Alright, our next phrasal verb is back off. If you back off, you move away in order to avoid problems or fights. Now let's see a few examples related to this phrasal verb. The competition is about to start and it is too late to back off. Or the boy refused to back off from his earlier statement. Our next phrasal verb is put on. Put on means to wear something. Or when you put on clothing or makeup, you place it on your body to wear it. For example, put on your shoes and come with me to the market. Or she put on a lot of makeup before going to the party. Put on is also used when someone gains weight. For example, he put on so much weight since last year. Alright, our next phrasal verb is get over. Get over means to recover from a problem or illness or to start feeling happy after something bad has happened to you. For example, she couldn't get over her husband's death, or it took him long time to get over his illness. Alright, our next phrasal verb is get up. Get up means to get out of bed or wake up. For example, I usually get up at 6 o'clock. Or today I got up early to study for my English exam. You can even ask a question, when do you get up? Our next phrasal verb is pass away. When we say someone passed away, it means that they died. We use this phrasal verb to avoid using the word die. For example, my uncle passed away at the age of 90. Or after a long battle with cancer, my grandfather passed away yesterday. Our next phrasal verb is give up. Give up means to stop doing something that you do regularly or to lose hope. For example, I gave up smoking 3 years ago. Or I know your child is stubborn but you can't give up on him. Our next phrasal verb is look for. Look for means to search or to find out something. For example, I am looking for my pair of socks. Or I am looking for some important documents in the cupboard. Our next phrasal verb is get along. Get along means to have good relationship or friendly relationship with someone. For example, Mohit and Riya get along very well. Or I get along very well with most of my colleagues. Alright, the last phrasal verb in our list is let down. If you let someone down, you disappoint them by not doing something that you have said you will do or they have expected you to do. For example, I felt let down because she did not call me. So this is the end of the lesson. Start using these phrasal verbs in your daily conversation. You can also watch my previous video of phrasal verbs. It will be very helpful for you. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.